The TaiH Leo 8-foot wheelchair ramp delivers comprehensive accessibility through premium aluminum construction accommodating substantial elevation changes and diverse user requirements, measuring impressive 96 inches length by 29 inches width by 2 inches height when unfolded, enabling transitions for 8 to 24-inch step heights. This heavy-duty ramp accommodates wheelchairs, scooters, walkers, and even loading assistance for minivans and vehicles, demonstrating exceptional versatility across residential, commercial, and specialized applications. The remarkable 55-pound weight combined with incredible durability enables single-person handling while maintaining robust structural integrity and 800-pound maximum weight capacity. The innovative folding mechanism compresses to 48 inches length by 14 inches depth by 6.3 inches thickness, enabling storage in vehicles, closets, and compact spaces without excessive footprint. We share by links in description box. The frosted layer non-slip surface provides exceptional safety characteristics, preventing mobility device sliding and ensuring confident wheelchair operation throughout diverse weather and environmental conditions. The silicone handle combined with metal buckles and secure folding construction ensures reliable long-term performance throughout intensive daily use and transportation. The high-quality aluminum construction resists oxidation and corrosion, maintaining functionality throughout diverse climatic conditions and extended outdoor exposure. The advanced safety lock system enables secure floor fixation, preventing unwanted ramp movement and ensuring maximum stability during wheelchair operation. The straightforward setup requires merely unfolding, positioning, and securing through provided safety pins, enabling rapid accessibility whenever needed. The multiple size options from 2 feet through 10 feet accommodate diverse step heights and accessibility requirements throughout residential, commercial, and specialized applications. The excellent customer testimonials highlighting impressive durability, safety, and real-world performance demonstrate consistent satisfaction across diverse accessibility challenges. The outstanding value combines comprehensive accessibility functionality, impressive capacity, substantial durability, portability, and reasonable pricing, establishing this ramp as exceptional choice for serious accessibility requirements.